This tool helps to hunt down social media accounts by their username or email address. To download this software, you can use this command, and I will put the command in the description as well. So let's begin. I already installed this plugin, so that way I got the response very fast. After installing this again and again, now this is working. So now we can able to run this one. Okay, now we have the file, so we can run and check. This is done, so we can able to run a custom command and we will check it out. So you can now see the platforms where these are installed. Now we can able to see their profiles, so you can able to replace the username and you can check it out. We will wait a few minutes. So in here it is saved in the results, so we can able to check it out. If you want to run other name, you can replace this and this particular block which is owned by piaolin. You can be able to check other commands, how you can able to run it. Thank you for watching.